Welcome to Python 101 part 5. Let's me discuss about another built-in functions in Python. So abs is absolute value, round is rounding float value, and min is find the min in a list, max is find the maximum number in a list. So okay, first, what is absolute values? Absolute value is to when you have a negative number like this. Let's say when you have a negative number like minus 199, it will filter out the negative and it's become to be 199. Or if you want it to be 32, it's going to be 32. And what about the rounding? Let's say you have a equal minus 1.732 and then you want to round it by b equal round a 1. 1 is 1 decimal point accuracy. So when you run, you see original is minus 1.732 and the rounding is become 1.7, and for C is the absolute value of A, so it's 1.732. So now what if I want A to become 2 decimal value? So then I will do the same, round A equal to, so it's gonna become minus 1.73. So A list 17309. What is the maximum of a list? Minimum of a list. Run. So maximum is 9, minimum is 0. What if you need more function than the Python offer? You can import a function to your Python IDE as follow. Example, import math. So a equal math dot square print a 4.12. You can try this. Maybe equal to 25, it return 5, right? Okay. From math, import star. This is the second option for import math library to Python IDE. From math, import star. Then t equal pi over 4 psi t. Instead of you use method, right? Now you don't have to do that anymore. Then you run. You got this. This also easy to do so. Even like at the square, that earlier I need to use math.square, now I can just use square and it becomes 5. But warning, if you do something like this, sometimes if you create your own function, it will override the import function. The function that you created will override your import function if you happen to create the same name of the import function. Okay, let's see how. Function that you create can override your import functions. You as a user need to know function you import, and you must not create your variables functions the same name as your import function. This is an example. You see, from math import square. Now when you print square, it's 5, right? But then when you create your own function, square x var, return x var, now it's equal to 25 because you only return x var. So you have to be careful. Sometimes you need to use your Python script multiple times. The more efficient way is to create your own function. So in order to create your own function, first, what is def? Def is a function keyword, this one. And function area of triangle is a function name you can create at your own choice. And the parameters of this function is base and height. Then we want to know the area of triangle. Area of triangle equal 0.5 multiply base multiply height, and then you return an area. How to use your own function that you created? Well, you will simply call the function name that you create, and then you pass the parameter values that you like to calculate. You will get the area back 25. Thing to note, local variable is used within its scope. For example, a function find the area of triangle has a local variable called area. After finished calling find area of triangle, the area variable is terminated. What does I mean by this? Well, when you call an area here, call the function find area of triangle here. When you print area is not defined because the local variable area is terminated already. The function has no return. It will return none. For example, def print hello world string var, print string var. When you print hello world, it return print me. Then when you print the print hello world, since the function did not return any, it's print node back to you. Same thing, print 1.0 not return any value, so it print no. First print 1.0, it print 1, and then print function it not return any values, so then it return no. Okay, practice questions. Create a function called factorial. The function will take a parameter called number to factorial, whose data type is positive integer including 0. The output is as follows. Factorial 5 is 120, factorial 3 is 6, Factorial 0 is 1. Factorial minus 1. Please input integer number greater than or equal 0. Please take 5 to 10 minutes of your time to create these functions. This is the hint. You can use for loop and if else for 0 and positive integer cases. And I will show you how to code this problem. Okay, let's get started. So first I use a keyword def to tell that I want to build a function. Then I initiate factorial function name number to factorial. I use a dot int here to tell that all the parameter that pass to this variable need to be integer. Then I create a result equal 1. If number of factorial greater than 0, then I will have to iteratively multiply number iterate to result until given number. Then I print the result. Else, number to factorial equal 0, print the result equal 1 because 0 factorial equal 1 is the exception. Then if the output is other than positive and 0 integer number, then print please input integer number greater than or equal 0. Now we check our function if it's do what it had to do. Factorial number to factorial equal minus 3. Please input integer number greater than or equal 0. Factorial number to factorial equal 5, 120. And factorial 0 equal 1. Okay, done. Well, that's it for Python 101 part 5. If you like this video and would like to learn more about basic Python, please follow me on next video Python 101 part 6. To make sure you're not missing anything, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like my video. And please, if you have any question, comment them down below so I know that what I use problem in and then I can help you with that problem. Well, bye for now.